In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a bill on Deferit Pay after submitting payment. If you've just submitted a bill and realized you need to cancel it, don't worry. There's a straightforward process to follow. First, open the Deferit app on your phone or go to the Deferit website in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so you can see the bill you want to cancel. If prompted to verify your identity, complete that so you can access your dashboard securely. Once you're in, head to the section where your bills live. Depending on your version, this may be labeled My Bills or Activity. My Bills typically shows your active and upcoming payments, while Activity gives you a timeline view of recent actions. You're looking for the bill you just submitted, so sort or filter by most recent if that helps. Tap or click into that bill to open its details. Now check the status shown on that bill. Status labels like submitted, pending, or processing usually indicate where the payment is in the pipeline. If it still shows as submitted or pending, there's a better chance a cancellation can be actioned. If it shows as paid or completed, cancellation may no longer be possible, but it's still worth asking support to review it. Take note of the bill amount, the date you submitted it, and any reference numbers you see. These details will help speed things up. Next, contact Deferit support directly from the app or website. Look for a help, support, or chat option, typically found in the menu or the bill's detail screen. When you reach out, clearly state that you'd like to cancel a bill you just submitted, include the bill reference, amount, and submission time, and briefly explain why you're requesting the cancellation. Keeping your request concise and specific helps the team find your transaction quickly. If they ask for verification to confirm it's your account, go ahead and provide what they request through the official support channel. Finally, wait for confirmation from Deferit. You'll usually receive a message in-app, by email, or both. Keep an eye on your notifications and check the bill status again after support responds. If the cancellation is approved, the status should update, and any scheduled installments tied to that bill will be adjusted accordingly. If the payment had already progressed too far to cancel, support will let you know what that means for your account and what options remain. That's it. Open Deferit, locate your bill, check its status, contact support, and wait for confirmation. Follow these steps promptly after submitting for the best chance of a smooth cancellation.